welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this brown, teal, orange look, just keep watching. I'm priming my eyelids, but I have already started with foundation, primer, moisturizer, concealer, and I started to contour. I just need to finish that up and put some powder on my face. Like always, the Pure Sculptor palette. I'm using the Revolution banana powder. I'll be using the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow palette, and the first color I'll be going into is Teddy Bear. I'm going to go in with a precision shader brush, the Luxie 239. Color I'll be using is the hashtag, and I'm going in with my Sedona Lace EB09 brush. Luxie 121 mini taper brush. I'm going to go back into hashtag and just darken it up just a little bit more. Same Luxie 239 precision shader. I'm going to go into brownie points and then put that on my lid. With a concealer brush, I'm going to do like a half, like cut crease, but not completely half. You guys will see. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my LauraLee. I'm going to go into damage control, and I'm just going to tap that into where we just put concealer. With this Wet n Wild brush, I just went in there, tapped it, and now I'm just going to try to tap that into just the concealed part of my eye. Alright, now I'm brushing all this powder off of my face, and then we can continue. Using the Note Desert Rose blush and an angled blush brush. going into Teddy Bear, and I'm putting that close to my lash line. Go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in my waterline. With that Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, I'm going into hashtag and I'm smoking out the brown I had already. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the LauraLee Pro Lash Pomade. Using the Nikki Tutorials Ultra Cosmetics Everglow highlighter. I'm going into the Violet Voss palette into Toffee. For lips, I'm just gonna go into my go-to Ultra Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Should really look up the name to this color because it's such a great color. I'm gonna have to buy it once it runs out. I got this one in my BoxyCharm. Setting spray. That is it for this look. If you guys like this video, please click like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.